She's back. Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. We are getting prepared, setting for the best month of the year, November, J-Vember. If you know, you know, but if you don't know, you're about to know. November is the month that I was born in. We love Scorpios, don't we? We do, we really do. Everyone loves us. You either love us or hate us, and if you hate us, you really love us. But yes, we are doing a monthly reset. It's literally October 31st, so I really hope that I can get this edited and up by tomorrow, but if not, it's okay. It'll be posted in the beginning of the month. Now, most of the time when people do monthly reset vlogs, they usually do it on a Saturday, Sunday, or they just, you know, have all day to do it. No, it's literally Monday. It's basically 6 o'clock. That's okay. I hate the unspoken standard that if you don't start cleaning and resetting in the beginning of the day, then it's not gonna be productive. Like, no, I had to work this morning and we're about to reset this house tonight. We only have a couple hours though, so really this intro needs to be cut a little short. But I did want to get on here and review my to-do list for today or for tonight before, you know, we get into the actual program. So first, I'm going to be cleaning my great room. Now, honestly, it's not that messy, but since we're doing a reset, you know, I need to sweep, I need to mop, I need to wipe things down, I need to vacuum, so we gotta knock all those out for the great room. Then I need to warm up dinner. I already cooked Saturday, but I still have leftovers, so I'm gonna eat that, and y'all, the food that I made was bomb. Then after I eat, I'm gonna wash the dishes, you know, clean the kitchen. I'm gonna redo my calendar in the kitchen. You see that thing back there? That right there is the key to my productivity. Like, it helps keep me on track. I know what's going on in the coming days. Then after that, you know, it's time to unwind. I'm gonna shower, brush my teeth, get ready for bed, you know, do all that good stuff. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I think I'm gonna do part voiceover, part real-time talk, so stay with me. You can do it if you want. Put me on the TV while you're resetting for the month. Like, it's a great month. I don't know why you wouldn't want to start fresh. And yeah, we're working against the clock, so let's go ahead and get this stuff in the wash. Okay, so I'm no professional washer, but this Downy Rinse and Refresh, I promise you it is a game changer, especially when I use it on my towels and my sheets. They're smelling fresh for days, literally, and it just makes the experience so much better. Question, party people. Am I the only one that does a scent treatment on their rugs? I don't think I've heard too many people do this. I mean, I just started doing this because, you know, I just got this rug. But I use a carpet odor eliminator on the rug. I've done it on my regular carpet, but just on the rug. I don't know if that's excessive or what, but I just feel like whenever you have your cleaning days, like having a fresh scent just makes your place feel cleaner. So I use that on my rug and it definitely helps. Oh my gosh, when I was sweeping over here, all I could hear in my head was my dad calling me lazy because I wasn't moving the chairs when I was sweeping under the table. So let me move these chairs real quick.
If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Look at I love it every day. Diamond dancing, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you like it, I go drive me slow.
sweep and when you mop, please don't be like me and be bent over, because that's just gonna make your back hurt. After a while, I ended up standing up straight, but I know it's easy to be bent over, so just be mindful of that. Okay, team, we just finished the great room. Now it's time to eat. I'm starving. Look at my kitchen though, it's just atrocious. So Saturday, I made this long chicken little recipe, and it was made up of chicken thighs, and then I made my own little gravy to go on top. It's really good. Actually, I'm gonna eat on a bigger plate. Am I? No, I'm not. I also made some green beans, and I don't have any starch, so I guess I'll make me a piece of toast. I am like my mom and my grandma. I don't eat bread that fast while I'm living alone, so I keep it in the freezer. I mean, it helps it last longer, and then when you go to the grocery store, you can't buy a half a loaf, and even if you do, you're paying more, so you might as well just get the whole thing and waste it, or get the whole thing and use it as long as you can. And y'all, there is nothing wrong with leftovers. I can't stand people that try to shame you for eating leftovers. There's definitely a time limit on how long you can keep them, but come on now, the food is still good. How hungry am I? Big piece, little piece? I feel like I'm a little piece hungry today, but it is so, this meal was so good, y'all. Y'all, this Minute Maid peach punch, so good. I promise you. I forgot how good this drink actually was. Usually I'm a water person. Oh yeah, and Ashley, please come get your jacket. I'm sick of it. It's been here for a couple weeks, but I'm really not a juice person. I'm mostly a water person, drink water all day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, it doesn't matter. But when I had this juice, I got it from the store. My boyfriend said I need to start drinking more juices, so we got it at the store. Oh my gosh, I definitely forgot what I was missing out on. And what show are y'all watching this season? Right now, I was watching Paternity Court, but I watch that all the time because I just love all the little juice. But The Watcher on Netflix, that's pretty good. If you've seen it, drop down below how you feel about it. Don't give a spoiler alert, but let me know how you feel. So, I was always that kid in high school and college to have all the different colored Sharpies, markers, highlighters, all that. That was me. So, I bought a multi-pack of markers. And, usually on a regular basis, November would be pink, but this marker's dried out. I left it open one time, being silly. Okay, so other than my birthday, I had nothing to fill in off the top of my mind, so I had to go and grab my planner. I've got a few things down. I need to get more stickers though. I really want a new planner, but come on, it's about the end of the year. I can wait a little bit longer. So this is my planner. I don't know how personal I want to show you. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to start with my bills in red. We're gonna go ahead and do the trash. So tell me why my recycling comes every other week. Just because I stay in a condo doesn't mean that I'm gonna have less to recycle. even though it's just me, it's like families that live in some of these. I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So that means that 2 people or more can stay here. 1 person can stay here, you know what I mean? Oh, my battery. My camera's overheating. I don't know why, but I'll just pick the camera back up when I finish with this. Time to wind down. Y'all, this is so funny because you know how when people film these kind of vlogs, they try to act like the camera's not there, like they didn't just take the time to set the camera up, walk out the room, and then walk back like I try to do, and I just could not take it seriously. But I really want to do a nighttime routine, like to go in depth as to what products I use and everything. So if you guys want, which you probably do, and even if you don't want it, I'll probably still do it anyways, but that's definitely coming up. I put this candle on, champagne toast and orange, fresh orange. Oh my gosh. I was first nervous about this when I seen this at Bath & Body Works, but blending 2 fragrances together, like that was actually genius of them. I don't know about all the other ones, but this one was good. I used the Olay Retinol cream at nighttime, and this has definitely like enhanced my nighttime routine. It goes on super smooth, love that, and then it leaves my skin just, you know, looking all soft and nice when it's time to go to bed. And that's pretty much it. I got my shorts, my sports bra. I hate being hot at nighttime. I'm gonna put the lid on, the candle, burn that out, you know, real quick. And that's all I got for you guys today. Happy November. See you in the next vlog.
If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Thinking I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money, I won't pay.